This English tutorial focuses on the topic, how do you prepare for a seminar, and gives an overview of what the process and product is like relating to seminars. Seminars can be an interesting topic for students when done correctly. Students, after reading or viewing a major text in English classes, have an opportunity to choose a topic that they're interested in, inquire deeply into that topic, teach their peers about it, generate questions, conduct a discussion, and connect the topic, the research, and any evidence they found to other things such as society as a whole. There are a number of suggestions here with regards to preparing for a seminar. Keep in mind that you are the expert, so you will know more about the topic than the people in the audience. Your first responsibility to them is to teach them key ideas from the text and from your research. You want to support your ideas with specific evidence. Then you want to generate a discussion. This is done by using questions. Lastly, you want to investigate deeply into the topic through discussion to help the class make connections and understand some of the information that you're attempting to convey. Keep in mind, like many English assignments, approximately 50% is process, and this will set you up for being successful. You need to demonstrate your thinking, and the only way to do so in terms of the process is to show your work as you accumulate it in terms of both gathering evidence from the primary text, the novel, play, or film, as well as your research and the notes that you will take on both. For most seminars in English courses, you don't do them alone. You're a member of a team, and one of the first things you have to do as a team is to define the roles, to understand the assignment, to ask questions of the teacher, and usually to take the initial topic that your group chooses and subdivide it into smaller topics. Next, once you've chosen a subtopic that you're reasonably comfortable with, you need to go back to the primary text and start gathering specific evidence from it. This will probably be quotations, key events, paraphrased ideas. Once you have your evidence in mind, whether it comes from the primary text or from research, you're going to design a multimedia component, which will probably involve a slideshow. It may be Google Presentation, PowerPoint, Haiku Deck, Prezi, or something else, but the intention is the same. You want an engaging seminar, and you want to keep in mind that the slides you're constructing are for the audience. So, just as 50% is process, that must mean that 50% is product. Not only do you have to prepare what the audience is going to see, you have to prepare what you're going to say. That doesn't mean scripting it, it's not a speech, it does mean preparing for it. And preparing probably means having additional questions and additional evidence which you may or may not have time to get to. A key idea in the seminar is that you have to teach the audience something new. They've read the same book as you, so you're drawing their attention to specific aspects that they have a certain degree of comfort with. Next, you want to go beyond the book and make connections to the research that you found. So you have to help explain your ideas, connecting topic, text, and then research. In order to give yourself more credibility, you want that specific evidence. And although paraphrased ideas and reference to key events is useful, quotations is an effective way to demonstrate that you have relevant evidence. Next, after you've taught the audience about your topic, you're going to ask questions. These questions need to be open-ended to allow the audience to make their own connections, come up with their own answers based on their perspective, and interpretation of the major text, as well as your topic. Your job in this part of the seminar is to lead the discussion. While you may not be speaking as much, you need to determine who is speaking, and you need to show good social skills. Show them respect, because without them and their contributions, you can't be successful. Keep in mind that the presentation skills, the oral skills that you would use in other types of oral assignments are just as important in a seminar. So you want to vary the tone of your voice, you want to use pacing properly, you want to make eye contact, you want to show a certain degree of energy and enthusiasm, and keep moving forward. When you're done your section of the seminar, you're going to conclude your subtopic, restate key points, and transition explicitly to the next group member. Good luck. Do your best with your seminar assignment.